Welcome to this video explaining the Content Delivery Network, or CDN. We will cover what a CDN is and how it functions to improve web performance. A CDN uses a network of distributed servers and cached content to deliver static assets quickly to users. This strategic setup minimizes the distance data has to travel, significantly reducing latency and improving the user experience. In a traditional web setup, all users worldwide connect to a single central origin server. This means that if the server is in New York, users everywhere must connect to it. This centralized model maximizes data travel distances for global users, leading to high latency and delays, especially for those far from the server in New York. Consider a user in Tokyo needing to access data from the New York server. The data must travel approximately 11,000 kilometers, resulting in high latency and a slow user experience. The CDN solution involves deploying edge servers globally. These distributed servers, located closer to users in locations like London, Tokyo, LA, and Sydney, act as intermediaries to speed up content delivery. With a CDN, a user is routed to the nearest edge server, for example, the Tokyo edge. This greatly reduced distance ensures rapid data delivery, resulting in ultra-low latency, often less than 50 milliseconds. The CDN process involves 3 steps. First, origin content is cached or replicated to global edge servers. Second, user requests are served from the nearest edge server. Third, the user enjoys ultra-low latency and fast speeds. DNS routing and geolocation are key. When a user makes a request, DNS directs them to the closest edge server based on their geographic location, ensuring the fastest path for content delivery. CDN not only handles static content like images and CSS, but also dynamic content acceleration. This includes personalized data and optimized routes, resulting in a faster connection for all types of content. Cache invalidation, or purging, is essential for delivering fresh content. When the original content is updated, the old cache is purged to ensure users receive the quote new cache, eliminating stale files. Load balancing distributes traffic evenly across multiple edge servers. This ensures no single server is overloaded, maintaining high performance and reliability across the global network for all requests. CDNs offer robust DDoS protection. Malicious traffic is absorbed at the edge by the CDN shield, protecting the origin server from massive attacks and ensuring zero load from the attack reaches your main infrastructure. CDN analytics provide real-time traffic insights and performance metrics. These metrics include the number of requests per day, uptime, average latency, and coverage across countries, like 150 countries for this example. There are many popular CDN providers, including Cloudflare with its free tier, AWS CloudFront, Akamai for enterprise needs, Fastly known for real-time purging, media-focused Cloudinary, and budget-friendly Key CDN. Think of a CDN as a chain of grocery stores. The warehouse is the origin server, and the local stores represent the edge servers. These local stores provide faster access for customers. The benefits of using a CDN are numerous. They include increased speed and savings due to lower bandwidth costs. CDNs also offer high reliability and uptime. Additional benefits include enhanced security through DDoS protection, superior scalability to handle traffic spikes, and a global reach that ensures worldwide accessibility. Without a CDN, you face high latency, server overload, and high costs. With a CDN, you benefit from low latency, a distributed load across multiple servers, and a cost-efficient setup with reduced bandwidth needs. CDNs are valuable for many applications, including e-commerce for fast product images, video streaming for smooth playback, and news sites to handle traffic spikes. They are also great for gaming with low latency downloads, SaaS apps for global accessibility, and mobile apps for faster API calls.